Welcome to Old Tree Vintage. My name is Manny Savignano. This is a new channel, and I'm really glad you're here. So hello to any friends and strangers. Welcome. This is a channel like many other that you'll see out there. So why this channel? Why am I doing this? A couple reasons. I'm always doing stuff in here. It's a huge hobby of mine, always has been, and I thought if I'm going to be in here making or tinkering around, why not video it, start a channel. The other reason is it's got a few different topics with the overall umbrella of kind of like a maker space. So we're going to explore that together, and I'll talk a little bit about that in a minute. What makes this channel different? Well, hopefully perspectives would be one. Oftentimes, if I'm looking for an idea or looking at a piece of equipment and there's unboxings and reviews, I like to watch a few of those to give me a better perspective. So hopefully, if you're watching, this could be that for you. Also, I'm hoping that if you are watching, that you'll hit that subscribe button and click on that bell. That helps the channel immensely, especially as I'm just starting out, and this is our very first video. A few things that this channel is going to cover, and I'll list them right over here. We're going to do woodworking. That's been a passion of mine, and we'll get into that since middle school, actually. But through the years, and as technology has advanced, we have CNC that is easier to get a hold of. And we'll talk about different kinds. I have some experience with that. Laser, 3D printers. So we'll cover what's on this list here, and we'll learn some of that together. Some things to share about some of those things, some things I've read about or learned since then. And as you can see, this is still in kind of a work in progress space. There's some work being done still behind me. I haven't finished that. Cabinets are two different colors, but we will address that at some point. If you have any questions about anything I'm talking about, please put them below. I'm not an expert. I'm a hobbyist, if you will, and very passionate about this stuff. I've always loved that. You can ask my wife, she will tell you. So what are some other reasons for doing this? So as I mentioned, I'm in here building, tinkering, learning, and I thought, like many who do this, this is a great way to maybe earn a little extra income. And since I'm already in here doing it, might as well video it and share that with you. There are some additional reasons. That's kind of the first one that came to my mind, but truth be told, I'm a diabetic and have arthritis, and there's medicine and expenses with that go up, and this will help with that. Hopefully, that's kind of my goal with it. But I'm pretty excited to do that and share things with you. Also, side note, I do have two daughters, so I'm going to be in debt forever. So this will help with that. Other ways, so really the biggest way to help is subscribe, ring the bell, and share with anybody you think would be interested in any of the things I had listed on the screen. That'd be wonderful, and I'd really appreciate that. The other way is there eventually will be affiliate links based on some stuff that I have, that if you like it or you know someone that would like it, you could click that link. It'll go to, let's say, Amazon, and you just buy it. Normally, no different. I would make a fraction off of that purchase. There's also some other ways as I'm learning this. I just forgot Patreon. I haven't been on that site, but I hear people that have quite a few subscribers and that have been doing this for a while, they have that, and I know that's a way to support. I don't have it yet, haven't even been on the site, but from what they say about it, I'm hoping to do that with, as I get some content put up there for you. There's another video on the channel besides this one. That one kind of shows you what this space looked like before I turned it into a shop, and I'll be narrating through that. So if I know how to hook it up, I'll put a banner up here. We'll see how that goes. Otherwise, if you go to the channel, you'll hopefully find that. So if you like some, those topics, any of those topics, and a little bit of sarcasm, then please join me, and we'll go from there. Not going to keep you too long, but I will say I have some unboxing to do with you guys. I have a beautiful table saw I got to take from 220 down to 120. We'll do that together. I'll show you that. Maybe some wiring stuff as we get that far. But definitely looking forward to you joining me here, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.